Hey guys, I am in here laying in my bed, getting ready to go to sleep, and I'm sitting here thinking. I received a message from someone. As I'm turning my eyes away, I'm looking at my phone because I came to speak about a new product that I just published. It's called the Emergency Bedbug Action Plan. I am very proud of this product. I'm proud of everything I create on my ebooks and everything, but this product is very special to me because this product is going to help a lot of people get rid of bed bugs very quickly. Although my methods are definitely proven to have helped a lot of people get rid of bed bugs. I get testimonials all the time, and that's one of the things I'm looking at. This is not per se a testimonial. This is just something someone said, and she said, "You are in the process of saving my life and my mental health. God bless you for this video." And she watched one of my particular videos. Now, I have taken a lot of my videos down, so a lot of the videos are not up anymore. I'm about to create a course, and I'm going to use my videos to create the course. It's going to be a video course, and yeah. So my bed bug action plan. I want to speak a little bit about it. I don't really do videos anymore. I do more so lives and a ton of YouTube shorts. I do a ton of YouTube shorts. So the bed bug action plan stops the infestation quickly, calmly, and correctly. Now, it is, I believe it's about, how many pages is this? I'm going through it. This wasn't a planned video, as I'm sure you could tell. This definitely wasn't a planned one. So we have, that's an extra page that shouldn't be there. 16 pages. And I'm going to tell you like the titles of the pages. And for those of you who have bugs, it is so many people that have bed bugs. It's like the amount of people who are starting to contact me and the comments that I'm getting. I mean, I know a lot of people have them, but I am just so touched and impressed that people are actually starting to talk about it now. I mean, I get people that say, because of you now I can admit to having bed bugs, and I'm grateful that you came out and started talking about bed bugs and make me feel comfortable with it. Now I know people ain't just going around knocking on people's doors or telling people I got bed bugs, but at least when people know that they do, they're not scared to call for help. They're not scared to go to the store and talk about products that may work or whatever. But I'm here to let you know what worked. All you have to do is watch the videos, the ones that's available, comment. I do consultations now. I have ebooks, links in descriptions about things. And if it's something that you need to know, comment, and we'll go from there. The idea is to get rid of the bugs. Okay, so the emergency bed bug plan. The first one is if you found a bug, do this first, and it tells you what to do if you find a bug, if you see a bed bug. Then it's got confirming bed bugs. That once you confirm them, it'll show you signs of bed bugs so you can know if that's actually a bed bug or not. Contaminant protocol within 24 to 48 hours. So, you know, the goal is to stop spreading, especially into your clothes and your furniture. So it goes through those step by step. Cleaning and laundry checklist of how to clean, what to do. Home treatment options, whether you want to do the DIY way, the do it yourself way, or you want to do it the professional way, be your choice. The cost and a decision worksheet. So it's asking you a few things about your living situation. And remember, this book is for you, so you're not filling it out for me or anybody else. You're filling it out for yourself, but it's helping you kind of have a budget for yourself and to just give yourself ideas of things. When I tell you this is thorough, this ebook is thorough. Okay, it has an action plan, a 7-day action plan. So day 1 through 2 is to confirm and contain. Day 3 to 4 is treatment, and day 5 to 7 is monitoring. Okay, a bed bug release guide. Like if you're itching or things like that, swelling or however, it tells you what to do. It also tell you what not to do. Okay, and a prevention checklist like checking your mattress and things like that. Monitoring and a progress log. Um, yeah, you can monitor your progress. And if you're renting, say you're renting and you have a landlord, I even included a script to say to your landlord, whether you're renting from an apartment complex, whether you have a personal landlord, however, I have a script that you could read to that landlord and just go to them like you said it yourself, or you wrote it, or not wrote it, but just something you asking the landlord from you to them. But anyway, it's a script there. A lot of people don't know how to confront their landlord. They don't know how to confront the rental office. Number one, a lot of people are ashamed to say that they have them. Also, a lot of people are saying that the rental office is trying to act like they're the ones who brought the bed bugs in. Another thing, these rental offices and things, they're supposed to have a bed bug policy. That's how serious this bed bug thing is. There is a bed bug policy out here for these landlords to pay for the treating of the home. And I know a lot of people saying that their landlords and things are trying to charge them to have their homes treated. Well, if you have to treat your own home, you shouldn't be paying the landlord or anything. You should be calling a pest control company if that's what you choose to do yourself and treat it yourself. What are they doing it for? So you can pay $4,000 and $5,000 or $3,000 and $5,000? No, get this plan or come to one of my videos, leave a comment, and we'll get rid of those bugs. Yeah, it's going to be a fee now, but it's not going to be. It's not even going to be $1,000. It's not going to be nowhere near that. But you will get rid of them. And another thing I could say is when you do pay all these thousands of dollars to these pest control companies, you still end up having the bed bugs. You still end up having them. You know, sorry but not sorry. You still end up having them. So, and then you have to go for another route anyway. Go the safer route now. I've helped thousands of people get rid of bed bugs, guys. This is not my favorite topic. This is not a topic I would like to be on YouTube talking about at all. I'm doing it because there's a need for it. It is a need for it. You may be one of those people. You may be 100 of those people that need this. So take heed. Okay, and the final thing is encouragement. I have an encouragement page. I also have a picture. I'll show this. It's just a snapshot of the plan and everything that I just spoke on. And then I have also a link. I have links in here. These are active links to products. And these are the products I use. And if you watch my videos, everybody know Diatomaceous Earth is what I always recommend. I have no idea why I don't have a sponsorship. Why these makers of Diatomaceous Earth, especially the Harris Company. That's the only Diatomaceous Earth I use. And I have sold this product for them and the little pennies that Amazon pay. I'm out here working hard for these people because I love the product. I even called these people and tried to get a what do you call it? I can't even think of the word, guys, but I know you know what I'm talking about. I tried to do like business with them, tried to wholesale. I tried to wholesale Diatomaceous Earth from them. I talked to a young lady. I gave her my YouTube channel and I gave her a particular video. This was maybe 2 or so years ago. These people never contact me. I don't even know if she's ever spreaded the word. But Harris Company, if you ever see these videos, any of my videos of bed bugs, I've tried to contact you because really, I do think that I ain't gonna say you owe me a sponsorship, but it would be a nice thing. I push your product a lot. I push it and I promote your product on a regular. There are different people who make Diatomaceous Earth. It's not just your company, but because your company is the first company that of Diatomaceous Earth that I actually used, and I stick with things. If it work, keep it. If it's not broke, why try and fix it? So again, I think I deserve a sponsorship from you guys. And I hope somebody somewhere along the way see this video and pass it on. Pass it on to these people if you know them or however to get to them. I might even try calling them again. But guys, I'm going to have the link to this emergency bed bug plan. I'm going to, of course, I'm going to put the link to it in the description. And those of you who need it, purchase it. Purchase it. People, what you guys need to stop doing is complaining about prices of things. When you go out anywhere, I mean, you guys pay $200 and $300 for a pair of shoes. You pay $500 for a hairdo, $500 for a pocketbook. However much you pay to get your nails done, and you paying faithfully to get the nails done. You know, you paying for these things faithfully. Bed bugs are something that will drive you insane. Drive you insane. So I'm gonna stop right there. Get the plan, guys. Get the plan. If you have a comment, comment. You guys have a blessed rest of your evening, and I will see you soon.